Hello friends of our homestead. In our this week's video we'd like to show you what we made out of our old aquaponics system and how simple and easy it is to make a chicken drinker for the winter time. That's our old aquaponics system we used for more than 2 years inside the house, but now I can't find any more fish to run the system, so I try to find a new usage for it. I removed everything that I don't need to give it a new life. I unscrew the legs to make them shorter. I marked where to cut the legs. And the same thing on the other side. And I put it back together. You can expect every Sunday a new video on our YouTube channel. Hit only the notification bell and you are always up to date. closed the first side. I put some leftover insulation from my other project around to keep it warm. And I closed the other sides. Then we wrapped it in plastic to make it watertight from the outside. And we put the cover boards on. I cut the upper lids with the panel saw. I screwed it on the box. Put hinges on. moved it in place and filled it with water. The cows are happy, I'm happy, we have no more frozen water, at least so long there is no power outage and everything is good. And now I'd like to show you how easy it is to make yourself a winter resistant chicken drinker for under $20. You need a piece of 1/2 inch plywood, cut it into a round piece with a hole in the center. For little projects like that, I always use leftovers from other projects because I don't want to waste anything. A hole saw does the job for the center hole. An old empty PET bottle. And a simple small aquarium heater with a low wattage. I cut the head off the bottle. If you like to purchase one of that aquarium heater, I put the link for you in the description down below. You can find them on Amazon. I measured the holes where the chicken can stick their head in on a bucket I made before. And I cut the holes also out with the hole saw. I cleaned the holes with the sharp cutter knife. From the out and the inside. A little more fine-tuning until it sits perfect. A 3/8 hole under the rim from the bucket. It doesn't work with the hacksaw, it works better with the jigsaw. That's the slot for the wire that comes out of the bucket if the lid is on. And the chicken drinker is done. It can be so simple. I filled the PET bottle inside close to the top with fresh water. I placed the bucket in the chicken coop and plugged the wire in. The red light of the heater is on, so that means the heater heats the water in the PET bottle. I put the lid on. And I filled the drinker with fresh water from the outside. It looks like he likes it. That's it for this week's video. Thanks guys for watching it. It would be nice if you follow us again next week. I promise you it will be very interesting. We will slaughter and process our pigs, and if you want to support us a little, you can buy us a coffee. I put the link for you in the description down below, and we see us next week.